Hello students, you're welcome to Math Hub. So we have a sample question here for indices. So let's try to solve it and let's check out the solution. So the first thing you need to do when you see a question like this is to try to simplify, break it down, reduce the powers. Okay, now we have some negative powers here. We have a negative power here. We have another one here. So the first thing to do is to try to make them positive. And how will you make them positive? It's very easy. All you have to do is swap these fractions upside down. Okay, you swap them upside down. There's a law in indices that says when you have a over b raised to power a negative power is the same thing as b over a raised to power a positive power. So all you have to do is just swap this on upside down. You turn it upside down, then the negative power will disappear. So all you're gonna have is the positive power. So let's just quickly apply that here real quick. So it will look like this. So we're going to have 64 over 27 now. Now we're not going to write this negative sign anymore. What we're going to write is 2 over 3. No more negative. Then this one remains the same way. Then divided by, then this one gives us 8 goes up, 3 comes down. 8 over 3 is to the power 1. Okay, then from this stage everything is pretty clear. So from here you apply another law of indices that goes like this. When you have a number like a raised to the power x over y, okay, in the fractional law of indices, this y will form the square root sign or the root sign. So y goes here. This value of a goes under the root sign. A comes here. While this x here comes outside here like this. So what this means is that you have to find the white roots of a, then raise it to the power x. So if you do that in this case, in this particular part here, you see that 3 will form the root sign here. You have cube roots. This value here, everything here goes under the root sign, 64 over 27. Okay, 64 over 27. Then 2 comes out here, times the same thing here. This will be square roots because you have 2 at the bottom there. So this will be square roots. You can choose to ignore it or you can choose to write it. So you have square roots of 9 over 64. Then this is divide here. This one turns to times. Then you swap this guy back. 3 goes up, 8 comes down. So it will look like this. So from this part, everything is easily simplified. So at this stage, all you have to do is look for the cube root of 64. Okay, that's the number you're going to multiply 3 times. That will give you 64. The same number, that will give you 4 times 4 times 4. So the cube root of 64 is 4. The same thing, look for the cube root of 27, which is the same number you're going to multiply 3 times. That will give you 27. That number is 3. Because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So you're going to have 4 over 3, then raised to the power 2 times. This one means, this part here means the square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay? 3 over, square root of 64 is 8. Then times, you have another 3 over 8 here. So just plug it there. 3 over 8. Then from here, from this part here, this part means 4 times 4. You have to raise 4 to the power of 2. So 4 times 4 will give you 16. Divided by, you raise 3 to the power of 2. Okay, 3 times 3 will give you 9. So this one will give you 16 over 9 times, you have 3 over 8. Then you have another 3 over 8 here. So all you have to do is just cut this out or cancel it out to see what will remain. So this 2 here, these 2 guys is already 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and you have 9 at the bottom here. So they will easily cancel out like that. So this one will cancel out, and this one will cancel out. Okay, then you're going to have 8 here, 1. 8 and 16 will give you 2. Then 2, 1, 2 and 8 will give you 4. So the final answer to this question is 1 over 4. Okay, so I hope you understand the solution and you gained 1 or 2 things by watching this video. So please like this video, click the thumbs up button, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. So until I see you guys in the next one, keep studying and keep being positive. Take care.